Hello students, now today we shall be solving a few more problems in the chapter probability. Okay. Now last session I had taught you how to solve problem based on one die. Now today we will be starting with two dice. Okay. Now the question will be something like this. Two dice are tossed together once. So whenever we say two dice means it is understood it is unbiased. Okay, or you can say two fair coins, fair dice also are tossed together once. Fine. Now you can have any type of question. I am just giving you only two types of examples here. Okay. Two dice are tossed together once. Find the probability of getting. Okay, now first one, same numbers. Second, product of the numbers to be 24. Now what does it mean? Same numbers. So each die has 6 numbers. So first die will show one number. The second die also should show the same number. Then the next one, product of the numbers. So first die number and the second die number, if you multiply both that together, that product should be equal to 24. Okay. Now how to write the sample space? Now, so one die, it has how many sides? As numbers? 6. So therefore the number of outcomes will become now 6. So here we have now two dice. Each die has 6 outcomes. So the total number of exhaustive outcomes will become now 36. Now I will write it down. Now see it's like this. So first one is 1, 1, 1, 2. Now 1 means, so first die will show number 1. Second die will show number 2. Now next, first die will show number 1, second die will show number 2. So you have to stick on to the same method, procedure. So 1, 4, 1, 5, 1, 6. Now I'll stop here because only 6 numbers are there. So I can't write any more. Okay. Now next one will become 2, 1. Now what does it mean? So the first die will show number 2, second die will show number 1. So the next combination. So 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6. Okay. Now this same way I will have to write now all the 6 combinations here. 3, 3, 3. So next you have 4, 1, 4, 2. Next you have 5 combination. So the last one, okay, now just see here. So together you have 6. So altogether there are now 36 outcomes. Okay, this is how you will have to write it down. Now coming to the first part. So both the dice should show same numbers. So first die is showing number 1. So second die is also showing number 1. So this is what we want here. Now same way you will have to search here. So you have, if you go down diagonally, now you will get the combination. All these combinations you see. Okay. So 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. So altogether now 6 combinations are there. So how will you write now? A is the combination 1 with 1. Next 2 with 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6. Fine. Okay. Now total it is 36. So this is your n value. Now this is your m value. So using the definition of probability, m by n, so favorable outcomes. So 6 divided by 36. If you want to further, you can simplify. Now this is how you will have to write it down. Okay. Now second one is product of the numbers. So product means what? If you multiply the two numbers, that answer should be equal to 24. Now which are the combinations here? You multiply 1 with 1, 1, 2, nothing is not possible. There are only two combinations. So one is 4 6 are 24, another one is 6 4s are 24. Okay. So therefore, if you take this as B, so 4 6 6 4. Now in this case, m is equal to 2. So probability of B equal to m by n. Fine. So 2 divided by 36. Now this will be the answer. Okay. Now the next problem. Now let us assume that there is a box. A box has 5 red and 4 green marbles. If 2 marbles are randomly drawn, so this word is there, right? Randomly. Randomly means together at the same time. So 2 marbles are randomly drawn. Find the probability of having or getting. So first one I can write like this. See, same colored marbles. That is second one, different colored marbles. So I will read it out. A box has 5 red and 4 green marbles. If 2 marbles are randomly drawn, find the probability of getting same colored marbles, different colored marbles. So there are how many? 5 red, 4 green. So altogether there are 9. Okay. Now coming to event A. So they should be of same color. So how many marbles are drawn? 2 are drawn. So both the marbles should be red in color. So 2 should be red in color or both of them. So 2 should be green in color. I hope all of you agree. So out of these 9, so 2 of them are drawn. Both of them should be of the same color. Both can be red in color or both can be green in color. So you have this word now R. So therefore probability of A equal to m by n. So here you will write the exhaustive cases, outcomes. Out of 9 you are drawing 2. So number of possible ways is 9 C2. R is there. So you will put plus. Now 2 red. Out of how many red? 5. Out of 5, 2. So number of possible ways is 5C2. Out of 4 green, 2 green. So number of possible ways is 4C2. Now this is how you will have to work it out. Now of course, if it is, I don't know whether it is taught for you, you have a shortcut method. If not, the tables will be given to you, you can simplify. Now the shortcut method is something like this. See, suppose you want 5C2, you write 2 numbers starting from 5 backwards, 5 into 4, and this is 2, 2 into 1. 5, 2, so only 2 numbers. Okay, so this you can cancel, so you get 10. This will become now 10. Same way, I want now 4C2, only 2 numbers. So 4 into 3 by 2 into 1. So 2 you can cancel, so 6 it will become, divided by 9C2, same way. So 9 into 8 divided by 2 into 1. So you can cancel. Okay. Fine. So this will be your 36. So altogether you get 16 divided by 36. Fine. Now coming to the second part. So what is B? Different colors. What does it mean? Different means one should be red and the other should be green in color. So one is red and one should be what? Green. Here we have the word and. So whenever you have and, it means it is multiplication. So this will be, so same 9C2 and is there. So you put this as in multiplication. Now 1 out of 5. So 5C1. Now 4 green. So 1 out of 4. So 4C1. So 5C1 of course all of you know is 5. 4C1 is 4. 5 4s are 20. Divided by this is 36. So you get 20 divided by 36. Okay. Now I can just add one more color in this. So a box has 5 red, 4 green. Now see, I'll add it up now. 5 red, 4 green and 3 blue marbles. If 3 marbles are drawn together, find, you can have now all types of combination. Find the probability of having, now see I can write like this. So one of each color. One of each color. Okay. Second one, 2 red and 1 green. So see, 2 green, 1 red. Now similarly you can have here one more. So 2 blue and 1 green, red, anything. So I'll make it as green only. Oh. Now together here, so you have 5 red, 4 green, 3 blue. So together how many? 12. Okay. Out of 12, now 3 marbles are drawn. Now in the first case, one should be of each color. It means what? One marble should be red and one should be green and one should be blue. Now second one, you have a combination. 2 are red and 1 is green. Next 2 green, 1 red. So next one 2 blue and 1 green. Okay. So A is now like this. See, one of each color. So one is red and one is green and one is blue. So probability of A. Now together how many? 12. Out of 12 how many are drawing? So 3. So 12 C3 and is there. So 1 is red. Okay. out of 5 red, you are drawing 1 red marble. So 5 C1. Out of 4 green, 1 red marble. So 4 C1. Out of 3, so 1. So 3 C1. Okay. Now when it comes to 12 C3, you will multiply things. 12 into, now 3 numbers, 11 into 10 by 3 into 2 into 1. Now this is how you have to do it here. Okay. So this will become now 5. So 5 into 4 into 3. Now divided by, you can just multiply. 3 2s are 6. Correct? You can cancel that one. 6 2s are, so 22 divided by, so 220. So 5 4s are 20. 20 into 3 is 60. So 60 by 220. Okay. Now coming to the second combination, B. So probability of B. Now you will have to write like this. See, 2 are red. Out of how many? 5, right? So 2 red and 1 is green. So this will become, so same thing you will write, probability of B, m by n. Now this will become same thing. So 12 C3. Okay. Now and is there, you will put into. Now 2 are red. How many red? Out of 5. So 5 C2 into green out of 4. So 4 C1. So you will get 5 C2. So it is 10 into 4. C1 is 4. Divided by this number already we have 220. So this will become now 40 divided by 220. Okay. Now coming to the this one C part. Now I'll just write it down. So 2 green. Okay. How many green? 4 are there. So 2 green and 1 red. Okay. So this is, I'm trying to do this part. Now this is multiplication. So this is same thing. So 12 C3. Now 2 green out of 4. So 4 C2. 1 red out of 5. So 5 C1. Now you will simplify that part. Now coming to the last part. So 2 are blue and 1 is green. Okay. Now divided by 12 C3 and is a, so we put multiplication. So 2 blue. How many blue? 3 out of 3. So 3 C2. 1 is green out of 4. So 4 C1. Now again we will have to simplify. Fine. Same way you can have similar problems in the playing cards. Now all of you are aware of the fact that the playing cards have 4 different sets. Okay. Now the question will be something like this. 4 cards are randomly drawn from a pack of cards. So normally we say pack of playing cards. So find the probability of getting so first one, cards belonging to the same set or you can have same set of cards. Second one, cards belonging to different sets. Otherwise, different set of cards. So, I will read it out. 4 cards are randomly drawn from a pack of playing cards. Find the probability of getting. So, same set of cards, different set of cards. Now, all of you are aware of the fact it has 52. So, out of 52, now you have 4 different sets. So, diamond 13, heart cards 13, spade cards 13, club cards 13. Right? Okay. So, first one. So, same set means what? So, it means all the 4 should be diamond. 4 should be diamond, or 4 should be heart cards, or 4 should be spade cards, or 4 should be club cards. Is it clear? They are belong to the same set. So, probability of A equal to. Now, 52. How many are drawn? 4. Out of 52, 4. So, 52 C4 exhaustive. Now, first part, 4 are diamond. How many diamond cards? 13. Out of 13, you are drawing 4. So, 13 C4. R is there. Plus heart, same way. 13 C4. R again. Spade, 13 C4. Plus club cards. Again, 13 C4. Now, this is how you will have to work it out. Now coming to the second part, different set of cards. What does it mean, different set? So 4 cards are there. 1 should be diamond, and 1 should be heart, and 1 should be spade, and 1 should be club. Okay. So I'll write this part. So different. So probability of B. This will be 1 should be diamond, and 1 should be heart, and 1 should be spade, and 1 should be club cards. Okay. So this will be same probability of B. Every time you have to go on writing the formula, no other go. So 52 C4. Now diamond 13. So 1 out of that 13 C1 and is there. So into 13 C1. Again 13 C1 into 13 C1. Now further you have to simplify that. Okay. I hope this much will be enough for you today regarding the die and cards problem. Okay. Now the next part of it is something to do with the complementary event. Now the question will be something like this. See, all of you are aware now. If A is an event, then A bar is its complementary. Okay. Now I had given you one result. So P of A, P of A bar. So you can write P of A bar, or you can write it as P of A dash also. So P means probability. So you say probability of A plus probability of A bar is equal to 1. Now suppose you have to have a question on this. So given probability of A equal to 1 by 3, find probability of A bar. So if you use a result, so this is 1 by 3 plus probability of A bar is equal to 1. So you can take this to the other side. So probability of A bar is equal to 1, this will become 1 minus 1 by 3. So this will be 3 minus 1 by 3 equal to 2 by 3. Now if it is going to be for 1 mark, you don't have to go through all this. Just one simple way. If this is 1 by 3, now subtract 1 from this. So 3 minus 1, complementary will become 2 by 3. So this is A, this is A bar. Suppose A happens to be 5 by 7. So subtract. So 2 by 7. If this is 1 by 8, subtract. So 7 divided by 8. You can just guess the value here. This is how we have to practice now. Okay. Now one more question you can have. The probability of a person, of a student only will say, the probability of a student solving a problem is 4 by 5. Now what does it mean? Suppose the student is given 5 problems, he will be able to solve 4 problems together. Find the probability of not solving the problem. So that means P of A is 4 by 5. So you are supposed to find out what is P of A bar. So as I told you, 5 minus 4. So it is 1 by 5. So only thing is you have to remember. So 4 by 5 plus 1 by 5. So 5 by 5. Now this is always equal to 1. That's what it says. Okay. Now the next one you have what is called as dependent event. Dependent event. Now let us assume that there are 2 events. One is A, another one is B. So 2 events are there, A and B. Let us assume A is the first event and B is the second event. Now here B is called the dependent event. So A is the independent event. A occurs first. After that B occurs. So this B is called the dependent event. Its probability is given like this. So P of B given A. Whereas for this one it is taken as A only. Whereas for this you will write it. Now what does it mean? So A is independent. So simply we write P of A. But whereas here B is dependent on A. That means A has to occur first. After that only B will occur. Without A, B cannot occur. So A will be the first event. After that B will be the occur. So therefore you say this is how you will have to read it out. Probability of B given A. It means probability that the event B occurs under the condition A has occurred. So there is a condition. Therefore this is called as conditional probability. Now here you simply call it as probability. Just okay. Whereas if it is dependent event, the probability is called conditional probability because you are putting one condition there. B can occur only under the condition A has occurred. So to give you an example, so the event of drawing a diamond card. Under the condition it is a king card, or you can say the other way also. A king card, drawing a king card, under the condition it is diamond. So two events will be there. One is A. So first event is you have to take only diamond cards. After that you take the king, draw one king card out of this diamond card. So this will be your event B. Okay. So this will become now B given here. Why? Because you can draw the king card only from the diamond. So that means you will have the diamond cards first event. Second event will be the king card. So king will occur only from the diamond. It is under the condition that king card is also a diamond card. The other way also you can take. So first if you want, you draw all the king cards. After that you draw a diamond card. So this will become now the event. Okay. Okay, fine. Now why did I do this is, now you have some theorems on probability. So in the multiplication theorem you will be using the dependent events. Okay. Now today's class, I hope all of you have understood whatever I have taught you. Okay. Thank you.